Hey everybody, Chris here with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, back with another in our video series on contour sanding. In today's video, we're going to be looking specifically at our mini mops and our eyelet stars. They look similar, but they're slightly different in how they're going to perform. So let's take a look and see how each one's different and which one's right for you.
Now, a lot of times you've got smaller projects or more detailed projects where you need to really get down into those little carved areas without ruining any of the detail. And that's where the mini mop and the eyelet stars are going to shine. Unlike the bigger cousins, the sand mops and the sanding star, where they're a little larger and they do great for bigger pieces, well, they don't do too well on these small scale things. So the mini mop allows you to get right down into all the little crevices, all the little corners. It's a very thin mop. It assembles on a small mandrel, which is perfect for a rotary tool. It allows you to really get in there and get all the nooks and crannies to get all the little details without damaging any of the hard work you've done to get those details. The mini mop is nice. It's available in those three sizes, so it's really customizable to really whatever you need. And they're all sold individually or in the sets. It allows you to get started very easily. So if you carve a lot of feathers, birds, or any kind of detail work on CNC, this is a great little companion to have to do a lot of your cleanup sanding. Simply mounts with that little eyelet screw onto the little mandrel, and you're good to go. As you can see, I've got this mounted to my Proxxon little rotary carver with a flex shaft. This is the perfect attachment to allow you to get really right in where you need to be on some of those detail carvings. And as you can see, the little flaps, instead of strips like with the mops, these are more little layers with just serration pieces on the strip. And they do work well, and they're great for those little small areas. Now, if you need something just a little bit more aggressive to step up your game, step up to the Eyelet Star. The Eyelet Star is a great alternative, a little bit larger, still allows you to get into those tight details, and the Eyelet Star can be stacked onto the mandrel that's available for it. So you can make a double mop out of that. And those just simply thread on. And the way that works, you can see once you get those fluffed up, they get right into those details just like the other mops do, and do a really clean job on the small scale stuff. Where the mini mops have interlocking strips, the Eyelet Star is actually more like a sheet with a lot of little serration strips cut into it, kind of like the bigger brother, the sand mop and the sanding star. These are very handy with that 2-inch size, and there's a lot of grit range, so we got you covered on that as well. This does have the potential sometimes, if you're not careful, just like with the bigger brother, if you only use one layer, that mandrel can stick through, and you got to be cautious of how far that is so you don't do any damage to your corresponding piece. These are easily removed and easily replaced, again, because of that threaded punched insert that allows you to thread that right on. So these are real easy to change grits, no downtime, ready to go. Simply thread the next one back on and you can create that double mop again. So no matter whether you need a little detail or a little more detail, we got you covered with the mini mops and the Eyelet Stars. To learn more, visit us at woodworkingshop.com or any of your favorite social media sites. You can also contact us at 800-228-0000 and someone will be happy to help. Well, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified of future videos as we release them. Well, thanks for watching and have a great day.